Hi everyone, welcome to this series of the number system. So in this lecture, we will learn octal to decimal number system. So what is octal number system? The octal number system uses a digit such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And these all are base 8 number system. And what is decimal number system? The decimal number system is the number system we use in our daily life. And it contains digit from 0 to 9. And these all are base 10 number system. So what is the method of octal to decimal conversion? So to do this conversion, we will write the powers of 8 from right to left. Okay, and multiply each octal digit with its corresponding power of 8 and add all the values. So let's take one example. And if you haven't watched the previous videos in this number system course, you can check it out through the link in the description box or by clicking to the I button. So what is octal digit? To convert this 31 base 8 to decimal, let's make a table like that. And this is the power of 8. And this is here we'll do calculation. Okay. So 3 and 1. So power of 8 will be 8 to the power 1 because as I told earlier, this is index 1 and this is index 0. Okay, so this will be 8 to the power 0 and the calculation will be 3 into 8 to the power 1, that is 24. And this will be 1 into 8 to the power 0 is 1, so 1. Now add 24 plus 1, that is 25. So the 31 base 8 will become 25 base 10 in the number system. So let's quickly move on to an example question. So to convert this base 8 number system to base 10 number system, we will do 5 into 8 to the power 1 plus 7 into 8 to the power 0 plus 4 into 8 to the power minus 1. And 5 minus 1, as I told, this is since it is to the right of the decimal point, so it will be minus 1 index, this is 0 index, and this is 1 index. Simple. And now add it. This will be 47, this will be 4 by 8, so 47 plus 0.5, this will be 47.5. Yeah, boom, this is the number system, decimal number system. So this is our answer, 47.5 base 10. Now solve this. To solve this, it is also very simple. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. This is minus 1 and this is minus 2. As simple as that. I have to need this space, so let's rub it. 4 into 8 to the power 3 plus 5 into 8 to the power 2 plus 0 into 8 to the power 1 plus 7 into 8 to the power 0 plus 4 into 8 to the power minus 1 plus 4 into 8 to the power minus 2. So we get 4 into 512 plus 5 into 64 plus 0 plus 7 plus 4 by 8 plus 4 by 8. Here we get yeah. So this is our answer in decimal form. I hope you have understood this conversion, octal to decimal conversion. So see you in the next video. And octal to decimal conversion is very important in computer science because octal number provide a shorter representation of binary data while still being easy for a human to understand.